Today we're going to remove the radio from this 2012 Chevy Silverado. Alright, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pry this open, just like so. Just get all the corners out. Then we're going to go ahead and drop it below the shift knob, and it folds down. That exposes our 6 screws we got to remove. We're going to be using a 7mm to remove these. Go ahead and loosen them all out. Take them all out by hand. And we'll put them in a nice safe location so we don't lose them. Alright, then the climate control comes off. Then we pull out the radio, and behind the radio there is 4 pigtails. We press this one in, and they come out just like so. The antenna will be a little bit harder, but just grab it from the end, and there it is. And that is how we remove a radio from a 2012 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.